No, I gotta talk loud as hell today, you guys, because oh my gosh. Today was just one of them days. You know? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm retired. So I'm usually, most places I go is like Walmart, Senior Center, park. Trying to find a good place to sell my jewelry. That's not too much, not too far, not too much trouble. Because, you got to bring your own, my goodness, tables and chairs and blah, 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 blah. So it's a lot to lug around if it's a far walk, So I am just now getting home, been gone all morning. When at 12 o'clock. What time is it? 5:30. Yeah, so I gotta eat fast before the sun goes down. And we're having, oh, I forgot it zooms in a little bit. I'm sorry, I have to adjust the camera. Sorry, guys. I thought I was all set up and good to go. Oh my goodness, so I got a beautiful, wonderful, yummy Asiago chicken sandwich with bacon, lettuce, tomato, crunchy night chicken, and Swiss cheese. So I went to my appointment today and I thought, well, it's only gonna be but I get it picked up, right? So you gotta schedule your rides. Yes, Robert. So I schedule my ride with plenty of time. So I can sit and, make jewelry. Today seemed like 4 days in one, y'all. Oh my goodness. I'm just now getting home after all this time. Starving like Marvin. And I'm like, forget this mess. I ain't got time to be adjusting the camera and stuff. You guys just gotta deal with me looking outside all the time. I'm sorry. That border stuff is a pain in the butt. I don't like looking at it, so I'm sure you don't like looking at it either. When mukbangers say that they don't like eat all day so they can do their mukbang. Honey, it feels like I haven't eaten in 3 days. It's so pretty outside. The clouds are a nice soft gray. And in a portion of the white cloud, no dark clouds, you can clearly see the red, the yellow, and the green. It's so pretty. Yeah, the window's open. Sorry, guys. I was too hungry to get soundproofed and all that stuff. And there's no breeze, so, I really want to turn the fan on. Excuse me. I love Wendy's ranch dressing. Man, oh man, oh man. I know you guys think I'm crazy, and that's okay, because right now, I feel crazy. I feel crazy enough to want to go down there stairs and slap that lady and tell her to shut them kids up. I mean, they're like way over there. I know you can hear them clearly. Sorry. One of these days, we'll all get like Sass. And have like perfect silence and stuff. Even though she says she hears her neighbor's lawnmower going next door. We don't ever hear nothing, do we? I'll get there. So, went to my appointment. Why is it you doctors can never schedule your shit accordingly? I mean, well, if you work for the county, you guys only have like, I don't know, 30 minutes per client or whatever. I don't think there's a county hospital now. Why you have people sitting there? I mean, when I went into the little lobby area, there was 3 people already there, waiting to be seen. Yeah. I know. I ain't got nothing else to do besides come home and make jewelry, but damn. I don't necessarily want to be sitting in no doctor's office this whole time, you know? So I did my check-in thing, and I'm really surprised. Even after eating like this, I only gained 3 pounds. You see? They were way down the street. You see, that's her yelling. Help me, Lord. Oh, this is so good. I'm sorry. I might skip some things. That's why I can't wait to move to a senior citizen complex. I could go outside and do mukbang. You could hear a quarter hit the pavement. It's so quiet. Senior citizen complexes. You know? So, all of us are looking at each other like, is she always late? Yep. And one lady, I bring my tote bag, and today I brought my big, huge Hello Kitty bag too, because I knew it was going to take her ass a long time, so I may as well make jewelry, Yep, so I sat there making my jewelry. Told the little girl, could you turn the TV on? And of course we get to see only whatever she wants to see. Where is it? That's not it. Oh. There you go. I found one for you. I think that's the eye you wanted, honey. So, send me my $80 and I'm on it. It is so beautiful. That chicken is the shit. It's still nice and crunchy. Well, I have dentures, remember. And y'all, jeez, all that screaming. So finally, the girl takes me in the back. I get weighed, get my blood pressure done. And you go back out to the front to wait for the doctor. Oh my goodness. I know that's how it goes, but damn, can't you do your scheduling any better? Jeez. I mean, instead of every hour, put us every, I don't know, hour and a half, something. I mean, I sat there for an hour. Wait. The bus picked me up. At 12. My appointment was at 1. He'd pick up 2 other people. What can you do? And I didn't even get in there until 1:45. Man, you know my anxiety ass. I hate being late. I do. I know that's that Meadows voice still over there, you know? Excuse me. Robert, I want you to know how much I appreciate you for watching every single one of my videos. That is just still so challenging for me. I'm like, ooh, I think I could open the blinds now, but I won't get up. I know we're supposed to sit here. Yeah, right, whatever. Be good. Actually, it would interfere with my microphone cord. Because we all know I'm not like everybody else. Okay, that is the shit. If you haven't had an Asiago chicken, you might want to try it. Bacon. Bacon, bacon, bacon. Went in there for 2 minutes, came out. On the way home, he had 4 stops before me. And all y'all that take care of your grandmothers, keep your ass at home when you know Granny's coming home. She was so stressed out that nobody was in the house. I thought she was gonna have a heart attack, y'all. I'm serious. I really do. She's just, you know. I'm like, Lord, please, you know I'm hungry. Please don't let her have no heart attack. And then here comes the grandson. You knew Granny was coming home today at 3 o'clock. I'm sorry, but my mama will whip my ass if I ever have my granny waiting. Oh, hell no. Granny is the end all, be all. If she say jump, you say how high. Okay. I know I'm kind of grumpy today. I'm sorry. I told the driver, I said, it's only because you're handsome and you're very nice to me that I didn't bite your face off already. I haven't eaten anything since what? 9 o'clock. I didn't have nothing in my purse today. Except some what is that? Tootsie Rolls or something I got from my counselor's office yesterday. I ain't eating it. I saved that for my sugar drops. It has once or twice. Okay, 10 times. What I gotta tell you, if sunset right now, I'm gonna turn the camera around before we go. That's the best thing about living here. My office faces west and my living room faces east. I love it. Did I tell you how much I love their dressing? I know I don't need to be eating this damn dressing, but I don't need to eat this fries and burger either. But honey, I don't know, I did not have time to come home and fix something to eat before I passed out. I've been eating a lot of vegan food lately. Sorry for the noise. I gotta get me another ranch dressing. I'm like, what is her name? Eating with Munchie. I can't believe I can't think of her name. Chunky Munchie. Chunky. Eating with Chunky. She's so cute. Oh, I bet she's nice and round by now. You know, she's pregnant again. She's so cute. See, now if I weren't in a hurry, I'd put some hot sauce in this. Make my own sriracha stuff, excuse me. It was so beautiful. Lightly gray clouds. Oh man, that's gorgeous. I'm sorry, you guys just gotta bear with me because you knew from the very first video I wasn't like everybody else. Oh, it's so beautiful. I have yet to have a bad one of these, even in San Jose or here. That's another reason why I really like whatchamajigger's hamburgers. Burger King. Lettuce, tomato was oh yeah. Thank you, Lord, for my food. Because you know I want to slap a whole bunch of people today. You know, as soon as I say all this, when I come out of the office and I look to the left, there's a freaking Family Dollar. Didn't even see it going in. I'm like, Tasha, shame on you. Note to self. Be more observant when you walk into a place. I could have went and got something to eat. Been a lot less crabby to people. You guys, I gotta tell you, are you guys on Live Me? If you're on Live Me, follow me, please. Tasha's Touch Healing Jewelry. Oh, that feels so good. Excuse me. There you go, Robert. And to the guy who keeps asking me for farts, stop that. I might need to do it one day, but you don't need to keep asking. Feel better. I love their chicken nuggets, okay? They're the only ones. No McDonald's. Not anybody else's. Okay, in a pinch, McDonald's chicken nuggets or filet of fish, but that's it. I haven't been in a pinch in, let me see. My sister's husband wanted Mickey D's, so we went there, I think, in March. But before that, giveaway. 2013. 2014. You guys gotta try this. If you like chicken. And you know, it's pretty much all I eat, right? It's chicken stuff. Even the corn, that's Quorn. When you saw that chicken pesto video, oh my god, it was so good. That was really good. I had the best view in the whole apartment. Massive complex. It just makes me feel so peaceful. Excuse me. And I wish you guys would like, share, subscribe, and stuff. You know what you're supposed to be doing. Shoot, I want to have a lobster boil thing too. I mean, I think I need like 1,000 billion trillion more subscribers, and so I can start getting paid and do my own. What is it? B Loves Life. And 2 other people, Tasha and Stephanie, said they really, really like their sauces. I'm like, well, I want to try that one too. I want to try that one too. I want to try that one too. And of course, Sass's sauce. And I'm like, if you guys only knew, that's not her sauce. In any Asian market you go to and buy most food, they have a sauce. And the other day she did a video. Thinking, nice, no, this isn't really my sauce, right? But you can keep tagging me if you want to. She's so cute. Okay, I feel 1,000 times better, right? Woo! Everybody's coming home. I'm gonna turn the camera around in a minute so you can see the beautiful clouds and understand why I really love eating here at my desk. SWAT was here the other day. I kept wondering what that big boom was. And the mail lady told me SWAT was here. They circled somebody's apartment. Tossed in those canister smoky things. Do I have enough ranch for one more? Because you know I got a car, right? Yes, I ordered like 4 other chicken nuggets so I could have lunch and dinner tomorrow. Wendy's for Hub. It's not Hub Grub, it's the other one. I can't think of it. Might be Hub Grub. I have no delivery fee, so that's why I tend to eat a lot of their fast food or Del Taco. Because if there's no delivery fee, I'm more assured that, oh, how funny, it's like 6 cars coming down the thing all at the same time. I think that's a first. It looks like a funeral procession. Okay, maybe one more. Because, you know, I don't want the ranch dressing to go to waste. It looks so funny. Well, because usually they're speeding through here, like Speedy Gonzales or something. You're so funny. Thanks for letting me vent. Now that I've eaten, I can calm down and go plant my lithops and my split rocks. Excuse me. Succulents make me happy. And if you don't know what they are, you can come on over to my fan page, my Facebook page, and see the pictures of my babies that I got yesterday. I like their chicken. So beautiful. I feel like a totally different person. It's been a minute since I've been that hungry. But yeah, I want to have a seafood boil with some beloved sauce. Very, very little spice. Well, because sometimes still, when the hot sauce gets up underneath my dentures and then my gums are just throbbing. I don't want that. I want to enjoy my food and continue to be able to enjoy the food. Picture perfect. You would think that this place is a battlefield or something, as many people move out and move in every day. One U-Haul truck on that side, one U-Haul truck on that side. Love those cotton candy clouds. Because right about at this point at the time of day, it has, the sun is on the other side of the mountain now. And the clouds are like that soft pink. So beautiful. So beautiful. I can't turn it around? Oh shit. Is that not one of the most beautiful sunsets you've ever seen? Airplanes included. Man, I just love it. That's what makes dinner time beautiful. Sorry, but I just wanted you guys to share that experience with me. Okay, maybe just one more. I think I have room for one last chicken nugget. So now I'll sit here, enjoy the view, take a few pictures, put them on Facebook, relax, breathe, put on some judge show, and excuse me, and make a piece of jewelry. In about 5 hours, this will have gone down. I'll go to the microwave. That's where I leave one thing of chicken nuggets. I'll have like 3 nuggets. Come back, sit down, make something else. So pretty. I hope you are being good to yourself. Does this look kind of staticky looking? I guess I could turn on some light for y'all, huh? Sorry. There you go. My bad. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys go. Have a wonderful evening. Bye. Bye, 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 bye. Okay, Robert, let's see if I can push one out before the camera shuts off. I think it's like everybody else's cell phone that shuts off. I don't know. We'll see. Root beer, man. Oh. Sorry, Robert. I tried. Nope, it's not happening. I know it's going to come out as soon as I turn the thing off. Anywho. Sorry, honey. And yes, I'm working on your, I don't know how many minute long video burping just for Robert. So, as usual, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Know that I love you. Don't forget to stop and love yourself first. Okay, guys? I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye, 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 bye. Here we go.